guys.
Learn to walk. We're teaching our dog to go the distance.
We're taking Darla on a walk.
I will find my way. I can go
The distance.
Go most anywhere to find where my mom and dad want to go.
Aw, her little flirtatious boyfriends. That's only one out here today.
Yes. That's bigger. Cleaner and I climb.
Fast car. Don't hit me, bro. Very close. She's too close to the road, bro.
Darla, stop trying to kill yourself.
Okay, you guys, so I have to finish my makeup when I get home. But we're out on a walk with Darla, so she is too savage. Anyways, next time we are not going on the road.
Yeah, you're crazy. I know you don't know what.
So yeah, we're in the same neighborhood. That's a house or something. Anyways, same neighborhood that we like to walk in. And we know this neighborhood pretty well, so that's probably like why we come here a lot. Wow! Look, it has like a little section back there. It's like a little shed. That's nice. Yeah.
Put our car there if you don't want to put it out.
Yeah. Open these gates right here.
I can put my car with your truck next to the house. No, your truck has to be on the other side. I probably would just have our truck there. We're not getting 2 cars. We're getting 1 car.
Darla's like,
I'm just gonna have my name in her license, or whatever it's called, her ID.
Insurance.
Yeah, insurance. I can't get my dream car until we actually have a house. When I get my dream car, I'm only gonna get my dream car when we have kids, because when she goes to work with her car, I'm taking the kids in my car. If I have to run errands or go grocery shopping, you know, all that stuff. That's why I'm gonna get my car when we have kids. Because that makes more sense. Like, you're taking your car to work.
We're gonna cross over here.
Doesn't that make more sense though, babe?
Yeah, hurry up. Hi, babies.
That's on her butt.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go.
Oh, she wants to be friends.
Okay. Aww. Babe, she's getting scared. Aww.
Our dog has no friends, so if y'all need any people that any dogs, just hit us up.
You don't have any friends. That's a mood though, Darla. I mean, we don't have friends either. Guys.
We're having fun right here, guys.
We're having fun. Look at the clouds though.
Earlier today, you guys know what we did?
It's so dark.
You guys know what we did earlier today?
What did we do?
What did we do?
We farted. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see if we can pass across this street, you guys. Okay. Over here. I don't want to trespass or anything. I'll show you guys east. Look at that. What? Darla, get your butt up here.
Excuse me, man.
Darla.
You're not a Shrek.
You're not a Shrek.
You're not Shrek.
Oh, you said shrimp. Let's go down this neighborhood.
Literally has to piss in every spot.
Come on, Darla.
Cross the street, guys. Look both ways.
Look both ways, Mama.
You didn't look both ways.
Bad cross guard.
Telling the police. Look at that dog. It's his darling. It's all psycho and lifeless. Why does that dog look like Nala? Like
I
Nala
know.
got robbed or something.
It
Like,
does,
y'all didn't
though.
take her for a walk. I saw a new family.
Alright, we're turning.
Luckily, my
Update.
car's waterproof, so I didn't even-
We feel a lot of sprinkles.
This is yellow talking. It's like a sweat.
It's raining.
It's raining really hard, guys. We're going to lunch.
Yeah, it is raining harder.
So I'll let this be.
Pouring.
Up.
Get out of the van.
Order.
It's raining harder. I don't know. It's raining harder, you guys. We're trying to get home. Look at those freaking clouds, you guys. It's getting darker and darker. Come on. Here, you want to record?
Yeah.
It's on the face.
Hi guys, we're going home. It's raining. Let's go watch her. She's ready to go home. Be careful with her arm. Be careful, babe. Ew, look at my dog, guys. Don't let her go over there. It's like, whoa, it's really raining. Huh? It's really raining, guys. Okay.
Come on. Mama, come. Go. Over.
She's like shaking her hands after my practice. Yep, they did. They're on drugs. You better go inside.
Yeah.
Heavy drugs. Let's go inside. Hurry up, y'all, before they start acting crazy. You don't know what they took. You smell it?
Yeah, it's over in that house. I think they're doing bonfire.
Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna go inside. It started raining and it's like really smoky out here. It's like bad for my girlfriend. She has like she has asthma and stuff, so, and yes, this is from exploring, by the way. Got a hole in my shirt. Anyways, we're gonna head inside. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, and we'll talk to you guys next time. We have things, like I said, we have things planned for y'all tomorrow, so we'll talk to y'all next time. Bye guys, love you.